What up, guys? We're back with another no oven, no problem episode, and I got new tools, so we're just going to do a regular loaf today because I want to use them. Gonna give you a little Doreen update. She got a new home, and look at how big she got today. This is where she was earlier. Look at her bubbles. And she got a new hat and a new home. She's so cute. Okay, so we need 3.85 cups of flour and 1.5 cups of water. Use my new dough whisk. Okay, now we cover her and let her rest for an hour with my new beeswax bowl covers. Ryan's laughing at me. So cute. Okay, it's been an hour. So now we add Doreen and salt and water. She overflowed. Okay, starter, water, salt is mixed in. I'm gonna cover her, leave her, supposed to be for an hour, and then do 10 minutes of stretch and folds, but it might just be overnight because it's already 10 o'clock and I'm tired. Okay, it's obviously the next day, so we're gonna move my hands. I'm gonna do some stretch and folds. Okay, we're gonna cover it until we get an hour. Oh, okay. I have a new tool for this. It's Julie. Oh, I love these shoes. Are they boots? Yeah. Oh my god, I love them. Thank you. So what did you do? I'm an esthetician. No, what do you do? That's cool. I want to ask you what you do. Yeah. Oh my god. Obsessed. I'm obsessed. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Look at this one. Ooh. Thank you. Another new tool. Taste the cider. This is small taste. Can you mix them? Can you have it half so it's not so sweet?
Oh, look who's here. Oh, God.
Hi, so nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you guys.
So you're Latina? Yes. I'm Latina too. I'm Latina too. Yes, you? Oh. Did you guys make a deal?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, I want to make everybody do chicken and do some pasta sauce with me. Like,
I know, you guys are legends. Can't believe we're seeing about some hot. Season 1 OGs. Shocked they're still together.
and then chicken is just a kind of sauce.
That kind of rhymes with vagina. So that's how you remember. We don't really know Shekinah's Harper at all. I just know like he's banging a lot of girls and like somehow she's into that. Yeah, cheers.
I want to get my bag here. Oh, no, it's tea right here. Charlie. Okay, I think we can sit in here. Oh my god, I need to see it. He's so sweet. No, let's keep here. Oh, this is much better. I want to know who else it's going to be. Like, pretty good. Like connection in your life is going to be very smooth.
We're gonna cover them and let them rest. Okay, it's the next day. I have my jalapeno and cheddar loaf, and then I also have my other garlic and rosemary loaf. So we are going to do 2 inclusion loaves today, and we're going to try to bake 2 at the same time, which I haven't done before. Wish me luck. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so this is my jalapeno cheddar, and this is my rosemary garlic. These smell so good, and listen to the knock. Oh, beautiful. I can't wait to cut them.